Audi A6. It shows particle filter is clogged. I have checked. Percent it was around 35, and I decided to try to make a regeneration. But in this car have CDI engine, 3-liter diesel, and it's not going with my equipment. No, it cannot start. It's no like this menu regeneration, or it makes error or something. And after I found one service like bulletin how to make it to start in CDI engine regeneration. So what I have done, you start car, and after you go in engine with this is original VCDs, you go in engine. After you go to security access, you enter in security access code like this 27971. Push what, okay, something like that. And after you go to basic settings, in this field you enter like this 226 and push go. After here you have empty and you push on, and after it's coming like you must push brake pedal, and you push brake and you see release, you release. After you push full throttle, and after you also release, and like this regeneration starts. So now is on the way. I have tried launch, I have tried autocom, what else, maxis hotel. I have tried this, and it's no one have this function to regeneration. So just like this with VCDs manually it goes. So Audi A6 CDI 3-liter diesel 2008 model. Like this you can make regeneration. Also, if it's clogged too much, it's also regeneration is not going. So if you drive too long and it's too much, finish. You must wash your particle filter, take out, clean, wash, put back, and after make this regeneration. So sometimes it's like that. See you next time.